Come on. What would you do if you had a wagon and this thing we cobbled together years ago? I don't know, but I have an idea. All right, step 2, some disassembly. Step 3, more disassembly and a little envisioning. I'm starting to like this. Step 3, we're gonna take these pieces of strap, bend them over this pipe so it matches the radius of the wagon. Step 4, choppity chop chop chop. Boop boop, presto changeo. Step 5, we're gonna take this old chunk that came off the sport rider, cleaned up, we'll mark the holes, drill it, mount that underneath. Step 6, bolt that in place, we'll weld the unicorn horn on. Step 7, weld our little disky guy onto the unicorn horn. Whatever, step 7 or 8, I don't know. Let's go with 8. Notch those guys, and then we'll connect little bars between that and our plates we added earlier. Step 9, we got tacks on here, so we'll just weld her up and move to the back. Step 9 or so, figure out how to make the rear end work. See what leftover bits we've got. Whatever, 12, 13, swappity swap. Got to put the little tires on some whites and then swap out, get rid of these guys. Put some fresh ones on the backs. Step 13, I'm not sure. Not sure what I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to do something on the front end, make it a little more racy. Well, there you have it. I think that's where I'm going to leave it. Fun little toy. That's what happens when you're bored on an afternoon and you're avoiding the work that you should be doing. Just want to make something different. Cheers. Oh, you slow rider. Where do you want to go to a car show, Jonathan? So we're out at my friend Shane's place. Thought we'd show this little Dodge off. God, it has a shorter wheelbase than my red truck, but sure is cool. It's on a motorhome chassis. Anyways, there's your make it last garage moment. Okay, going hand in hand with this thing. I do like the Harley, but what I really like more, I friggin' love that. Oh man, before I could even get out there, the boys blew up the clutch, flattened the back tire. My poor mini bike. Oh well, we'll make it last. Couple screws, pull off this panel. Of course, I did video of this. Pull this off, there's the new one. All we did was grab these around the edges, put that bolt in there, sucks that off, put the new one on. We loosen up the engine to get a little slack in the chain, and then while there's slack in the engine, we will pop the rear tire off and the front tire off and put on some fresh rubber and tubes. Okay, I forgot. You take the big bolt out, which gets the wheel out, but I just remembered these, it's a split rim design, so you take these 5 bolts out. They're not blind bolts. You got to take the gear off, blah, blah. It's annoying. I'm just venting. All right. Now, of course, these normally just pop apart, but who knows how long this has been on here. I'm going to find a date code on this thing. Yeah, I can't even squeeze it off. She's just stuck on there like it's a tube tire. No bead, but man, whew, it's time for Big Bear time. Grr. God dang. Look at that. Haha. All right, I won. So out with the old, ooh, in with the new. Thanks, Amazon. They should work. All right, assembly should go way quicker than taking them apart. All right, here's my little tech tip. piece of tape. Look, nut doesn't fall out, so you go behind, and makes it super easy to get your fingers where your fingers can't go. All right, there you got it. Fresh tires, fresh clutch, and fair warning, I put that together with the big impact because those threads are all messed up. So whoever takes this apart in the future, good luck, my friends. Good luck. Oh, I don't know. Let the 15-year-old take my cars around the block? What could happen? You know what we did today? We made a track. 4x4 track. This is pretty good. The only thing I was worried about is this corner being a little sharp. Oh yeah, it's sharp. It's super sharp. Well, let's just go straight. What could happen? Oh, my turn. Learning a 4x4 in your backyard. The best. It. Sweet. Boys will be boys. That's what happens. Oh, the front. We don't have it in four-wheel drive. Still driving and coming back with a mini bike and bicycle and Trevor in the back. Ran out of gas. Good thing I followed along.
Got a carburetor, gonna make it last. We got a transmission, we gonna make it last. It may not be shiny or even fast, just as long as we make it last.